My topic is brand personality in detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Brand personality refers to the set of human characteristics and traits that are attributed to a brand by its customers and the public. It is similar to the personality of a human being, but in this case, it is the personality of a brand. A brand with a strong personality can differentiate itself from its competitors and create a deep emotional connection with its target audience. Some examples of brand personalities include friendly, playful, sophisticated, trustworthy, and adventurous. Brand personality is often defined by a brand's tone of voice, visual identity, and overall brand messaging. It reflects the values, beliefs, and culture of the brand, and can be influenced by factors such as the brand's history, target market, and industry norms. Developing a brand personality is an important aspect of branding strategy. It helps to create a distinct brand identity that resonates with consumers and builds brand loyalty. A strong brand personality can also attract and retain customers who share similar values and aspirations. Companies use various strategies and tactics to create and maintain their brand personality. For example, they may use humor, storytelling, or visual design to convey their brand's personality. They may also engage in cause marketing or social responsibility initiatives to align their brand with a certain set of values. In summary, brand personality is an important aspect of branding that can help companies differentiate themselves, build customer loyalty, and connect with their target audience on a deeper level. By understanding their brand personality and leveraging it effectively, companies can create a strong and enduring brand identity that resonates with consumers. Additionally, a well-defined brand personality can also help companies to make strategic decisions such as which products to launch, which marketing channels to use, and which partnerships to pursue. This is because a brand's personality informs the overall strategy and direction of the business, and helps to ensure that all messaging and activities align with the brand's values and goals. However, it is important to note that creating a brand personality is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing effort to maintain and evolve the personality as the brand grows and changes. This may involve testing new messaging and branding tactics to ensure they align with the brand's personality and connect with the target audience. Overall, developing and leveraging a strong brand personality can be a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes and industries. It can help to differentiate the brand, increase customer loyalty, and guide strategic decision-making. It can also lead to stronger brand recognition and identity, which can ultimately result in increased revenue and growth for the business. By investing the time and resources to define and cultivate a brand personality, companies can create a lasting impression in the minds of their target audience, and establish themselves as successful and trustworthy players in the market. Brand personality is the process of bringing a human element to a company brand or a product through a set of recognizable personality traits. It's an effective tool that can differentiate a brand and enhance customer perception. Just as if you're describing a good friend or someone you just met, we use adjectives to describe businesses, such as upbeat, young, serious, friendly, or sophisticated. Businesses communicate their brand personality through a developed brand voice and visual identity. With this set of human characteristics, you can enhance the connection and brand experience for a person. The set of human characteristics of a brand personality can resonate with a large group or among particular demographics, positioning your business to stand out from the competition. For example, the personification of some car brands might be excitement, ruggedness, or sophistication, while other vehicle manufacturers might try to represent themselves as reliable, affordable, or sincere. A brand personality is a set of human traits that define a brand. Things like values, hobbies, humor, candor, and sincerity. These traits are hand-picked to build an emotional connection to a specific target audience with similar traits. This personality will be the foundation of your brand identity and brand marketing. Resonate with the right target audience. Create an emotional connection and foster brand loyalty. Differentiate your brand. Increase brand equity. Many businesses overlook building a brand personality, resulting in mediocre and lifeless branding. These businesses are easily flushed out by competitors who established an emotional connection with their audience from the beginning. Simply put, a brand's personality is the set of human characteristics you attribute to that brand. Or, put another way, it's how you describe a brand if it were a person. A brand's personality shines through in brand messaging, images, and overarching marketing campaigns. Additionally, consistency is key. If your brand's personality differs on your company website compared to your social channels, it will be more difficult for consumers to learn who your brand is, and what it stands for. As Ben Harmanis, EMEA's head of brand marketing, puts it, a brand's personality is a set of human traits that define a brand. These traits set one brand apart from others, and make it unique. A brand personality refers to the way a company personifies its brand. Using personality traits to describe a brand can trigger positive feelings for customers that may increase their emotional connection with the company. A company's brand persona can also represent an image or lifestyle to which customers aspire. This connection may motivate them to engage with a company's products, which can lead to more sales. A company can project its personality through traditional advertising channels, such as television or print media. The company can also show its personality by producing social media content that uses the language and tone of its brand. It may also choose to sponsor an event or support a charitable cause that aligns with the image it's trying to convey. Conducting market research to understand the target audience and its perceptions of a brand can help a company refine its personality. Understanding a company's brand persona can help the company plan effective marketing strategies that may resonate with its target audience. A company engages with its target audience. Knowing more about what's important to an audience, and understanding its behaviors is useful when creating content that engages customers. Understanding the tone and language of the customers a company is trying to reach can help define a brand's voice. This also helps determine the best way to reach an audience, whether it's through a particular social media platform or through other targeted marketing methods. Increases brand loyalty. If a customer makes an emotional connection to a brand, this may increase their loyalty to the company. Customers who associate positive feelings and experiences with a company's brand may continue to buy its products. A loyal customer base can also help if a company wants to expand its business. Having an established customer base to market new products to allows a company to test new ideas that can help inform the future of the business. Increases brand value. Defining a brand's personality can help a company create a distinct identity that sets it apart from competitors. Conveying the quality and specific traits of a brand influences how consumers perceive it. This unique identity is useful if a company is in a market with multiple competitors offering the same product. A customer who believes that a brand's values match their own may be more likely to select that company's product over others. Sincerity and honesty. A company can demonstrate sincerity and honesty by being transparent in all aspects of its business, including how it communicates, operates its business, and creates its product. It can project traits that align with ethical and sustainable values and emphasize these traits when marketing its products. It may support philanthropic activities to demonstrate its commitment to these ideals. Brands that portray themselves with sincerity cultivate feelings of trust in their customers. Excitement. Excitement can evoke feelings of a fun, carefree lifestyle to people who want to be daring or are looking for a thrilling experience. A company that wants to demonstrate this trait shows its audience ways to escape the regular daily routines with adventurous activities. A business that portrays excitement conveys messaging that encourages a more spirited attitude to life. Companies that might use this personality trait in their messaging include amusement parks and businesses in tourism or entertainment. Competence. Companies that want to emphasize competence in their brand's persona try to position themselves as top experts in their field. They present themselves as innovators and demonstrate deep knowledge in their industry. One example of the use of this trait in marketing materials is a business that tells the story of its history of making a particular product. The trait of competence may increase a customer's confidence in a product. Sophistication. Sophistication refers to companies that appeal to consumers willing to spend large sums of money on high-quality products. Their messages convey ideas of luxury and prestige, which the consumer may connect with wealth. Their products are lavish and their advertisements offer glimpses of a wealthy lifestyle. The sophistication trait can appeal to consumers who aspire to be in this demographic. Ruggedness. Customers often associate the trait of ruggedness with images of outdoor activities. This trait can appeal to customers who see themselves as tough, athletic, and looking for a new challenge. Companies that promote outdoor equipment or clothing are examples of businesses that emphasize this personality trait. If a company has an association with the outdoors, it can also align itself with environmental and sustainability messaging. The term brand personality refers to a set of human characteristics that are attributed to a brand name. An effective brand increases its brand equity by having a consistent set of traits that a specific consumer segment enjoys. This personality is a qualitative value add that a brand gains in addition to its functional benefits. As such, a brand personality is something to which the consumer can relate. Brand personality is a set of human characteristics that are attributed to a brand name. Companies should accurately define their brand personalities so they resonate with the right consumers. A company's brand should aim to elicit a positive emotional response from a targeted consumer segment. The personal side of brand personality is so important, especially in the digital age of artificial intelligence and automation. Don't confuse brand personality with imagery, which consists of a company's creative assets. Excitement, carefree, spirited, and youthful. Sincerity, kindness, thoughtfulness, and an orientation toward family values. Ruggedness, rough, tough, outdoorsy, and athletic. Competence, successful, accomplished, and influential, which is highlighted by leadership. Sophistication, elegant, prestigious, and sometimes even pretentious. Brand personalities are even more important, especially in the digital age where automation and artificial intelligence, AI, technology is growing. As much as consumers enjoy being able to shop online or have companies predict their preferences, studies show that people still want personal interaction and direct customer service when it comes to the way they do business with companies. A company's brand personality should not be confused with its imagery. A company's imagery is a series of creative assets that communicate the tangible benefits of its brand. Conversely, a firm's brand personality directly creates an emotional association in the mind of an ideal consumer group. It is important for a company to accurately define its brand personality so it resonates with the appropriate consumer. This is because brand personality results in increased brand equity and defines the brand's attitude in the marketplace. It is also the key factor of any successful marketing campaign. In order to choose a brand's personality, companies consider the 5 personality types and select the one the company wishes to convey. If, for example, a new outdoor apparel company wants to resonate with consumers, the natural inclination is to create a brand personality that is rugged. But it is possible that a competitor may have already positioned itself as the rugged outdoor apparel brand. To set itself apart, the new company can position itself uniquely in the mind of the customer by adopting a brand personality of sophistication. This differentiates the brand as an upscale, high-end option to outdoor apparel, which attracts a specific type of consumer. Brand personality is the way a brand is personified, the sum of its emotional, psychological and behavioral patterns that remain unique over the course of its lifespan. They are the human characteristics and traits that consumers relate to. According to branding expert G. Noel Kapferer, brand personality fulfills a psychological function. It allows consumers to either identify with it or project themselves into it. Brand personality is also the main source of tone and style of advertising. A brand's personality is an element of the brand identity. It can be expressed through its tone of voice, communication style, and behaviors, while actively cultivating consumers' perception through its in-market communications. We live in a world where brands clamber over each other to resonate authentically with audiences, almost anywhere you look. Therefore, having an easily distinguished and attractive brand personality is vital to keeping a brand's DNA healthy. Providing a brand with specific character traits will make it more human. Consumers will feel concerned by its behavior and values. They will feel like they are talking to one person, which will generate attachment to the brand. A well-executed brand personality helps to build a brand's equity, distinguishing a business or organization from its competition while maintaining, or cultivating, an edge in the marketplace. The brand personality framework was developed by Stanford marketing and brand expert Jennifer Elliker. In a seminal article published in the 1997 Journal of Marketing Research, she provides a structure for thinking conceptually about brand personality through a 5-dimensional model 3. These dimensions are: sincerity, this personality type tends to be ethical, trustworthy, and down-to-earth, such as Patagonia. Excitement, these brands are often bold, creative, and spirited, like Red Bull or Tesla. Competence, brands that fall into this personality type are intelligent and reliable. Think Volvo or Microsoft. Sophistication, these brands, like Chanel or Apple, are often upper-class, glamorous, and charming. Ruggedness, rugged brands like Harley-Davidson and Land Rover tend to be outdoorsy and tough. A brand's personality features further define each dimension with more nuance, and it is this resulting mix of traits that distinguishes and identifies a brand. Sincerity. Sincere brands like Disney or Patagonia have wholesome, honest, and down-to-earth personalities. You'll notice these traits in their actions and marketing. It might seem counterintuitive for a business, but this approach is aligned with their sincere brand personality and purpose. As a result, Patagonia built its brand loyalty and resonated with outdoorsy people that want to be more environmentally sustainable. 2. Excitement. Some brands have daring, exciting, and imaginative personalities. Nike, for example, has positioned its brand to inspire movement, growth, and excitement in athletics. Other top brands like Red Bull built brand excitement by urging ordinary people to do spontaneous things. The brand resonates with individuals that live or want to live high-octane, daring lives. 3. Competence. Brands built around a competent personality pride themselves on being intelligent and reliable. They tend to be hardworking and value high-quality work and success. Google, for example, searches billions of web pages in seconds to give you the top 10 websites that answer your question. That's both reliable and intelligent. Sophistication. Sophisticated brands have charming and glamorous personalities that highlight luxurious living. Brands like Rolex, Mercedes, or Chanel are all sophisticated brands with high-quality products created by respected designers. Their unique craftsmanship and astronomical product price make them that much more desirable to people who strive for a life of luxury and glamour. 5. Ruggedness. Rugged brands have an outdoorsy, unconventional, and tough appeal. Jeep is an example of a rugged brand and is the poster child for off-road adventures. The ruggedness brand personality appeals to people who crave adventure and the path less traveled. Identify the brand's mission, vision, and values. Identifying which values a company represents can help it establish its purpose and how it wants customers to perceive it. This step can also help identify the personality traits that best reflect a company's image. Once a company has identified its values, it's a good idea to write a succinct statement that it can refer to and share with customers on its website and in any other marketing materials. Identify the target audience. Companies can conduct in-depth research, using surveys, interviews, or reviewing market data, to determine the demographics of their audiences. They can collect details such as age, income level, family status, values, likes, and dislikes of their customer bases. This information can help define customers' buying behaviors, which can assist businesses in determining the best communication tactics to reach different groups. Refine the brand persona. As a company becomes familiar with its market and target audience, it can focus on the key personality characteristics of its brand. In this step, the company can consider how its brand might behave if it were a person. It may think about the social situations in which its brand might participate and seek to understand what motivates and excites the brand. Refining a brand's persona can help a company identify ways to distinguish itself from competitors and connect with its target market. Create a brand style guide. A style guide provides details on how a company presents its brand externally. The guide also ensures everyone consistently represents the brand everywhere it appears to build brand awareness. Components of a brand style guide include a company's vision, mission, values, and brand story. It also outlines visual elements, such as a company's logo, color palette, and font style. Review and revise as necessary. As a company matures and trends change, it may wish to update and revise its brand style guide. This can be an opportunity to review the company's vision, mission, and values. This can also be a time to review the company's target audience and update any additional details. Revising a brand design also shows that a company is growing and that it wants to stay relevant in its market. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.